Alright guys, let me welcome you warmly to the presentation of our latest line of official merchandise. Here's the cup, which you can see. I'm gonna take a sip now. Good quality ceramics. All the merch is quite good, made in Teespring. So check it out and enjoy the presentation of the shirts, the hoodies, and the cup. Alright. Alright guys, let me welcome you. I want to show you the merch I just received. This is our merch, the Viking merch, and you can see this is for the Samsung, the case for the cell phone. So that's how it looks up close. Really, really great. That's our design, and I also got the hoodie, the black hoodie, which I'm gonna show you the photo of. And this is me now wearing our merch mask, as you can see, YouTube dzikieswinie channel, and I'm also wearing the self-designed hunter tee, and you can see here this is how it looks. So cave drawings and the hunter, but the good news is you also have something at the back of the tee, which I'm gonna show it to you now. Alright guys, so this cover I'm actually putting away. This is my old vintage cover, and you can see it's also our design, but it's already a bit used up. It's got a few years, so it's still okay, so I'm gonna put it away just as a reminder of our designs. Okay guys, so thanks for watching, and please see many more of our unusual projects, cheap projects on our channel, and obviously do subscribe and buy our merch to support us.